How to earn more Apple Cash. Apple purchases with Apple Pay. The most obvious way to earn Apple Cash with your Apple Card is when you use it to purchase anything from Apple and use Apple Pay. This will earn you 3% back on every $1 spent on purchases from Apple stores, apple.com, the App Store, the iTunes Store, and on Apple services like AppleCare. So, if you're someone who purchases a lot of Apple products throughout the year, this is a great way to rack up cash back on those purchases. Partner purchases with Apple Pay. Of course, the vast majority of your purchases throughout the year probably won't be on Apple products or services. But fortunately, the Apple Card also offers 3% back on select partner purchases when you use Apple Pay. Currently, these merchants include Uber or Uber Eats, Nike, Panera, T-Mobile, Walgreens, and Exxon and Mobil gas stations. While some of these are certainly more useful than others, some cardholders might receive great value, receiving 3% back with some of these merchants. All other purchases with Apple Pay. Any purchases falling outside of the above category at merchants that accept Apple Pay will earn you 2% back towards your Apple Cash balance. The key here is that the store or merchant must accept Apple Pay as a method of payment. So if you live in a location that has widespread Apple Pay acceptance, then the Apple Card will earn you 2% back on virtually every purchase you make. If not, then this might not be the best card option for you. Purchases with your physical card. For any other purchase, where you do not have the ability to use Apple Pay, and you must use your physical Apple Card, you'll earn just 1% back. In cases such as these, you might want to opt for another card in your wallet with a strong reward rate, unless you prefer to focus all of your earnings on Apple Cash.